The equation absolute value of 2x minus 8, close absolute value bars, plus 3 equals 5 has two solutions. Those solutions are equal to the solutions to which of the following pairs of equations? All right, so for this question, you need to recognize that we have an absolute value problem, but we have a number that's not included in the absolute value. So if I look at 2x minus 8 in absolute value bars plus 3 equals 5, in order to start solving for x, I would have to move this 3. We move the 3 by doing the inverse operation, which creates a zero pair. So I have the absolute value of 2x minus 8 on the left side, and I have 2 on the right side. And before I get too far, I want you guys to look at your answer choices. That 2x minus something looks pretty familiar because I can see that on all of the left sides of the answer choices. And then on the right side, we know that it equals 2. And so I can see those as some of my options for my answer choices as well. Whenever we have absolute value, we don't know what the situation was. So absolute value bars force the answer to be positive because it's a distance and distance is always positive. So the way that we look at this problem is it was 2x minus 8 positive, all of that, or it was a negative 2x minus 8. Now be very, very careful about what those parentheses. These parentheses are in place of those absolute value bars because we have to take I call it the guts of the problem and multiply it by a positive or a negative. So if you notice the question, especially with the fives, he doesn't belong at all. So he has 5 in this position. That's not helpful to us. But everything else has an 8 in that position. So whenever I look at this problem, it would have had to have been negative 2x plus 8 in order for them to have used that negative sign correctly. So that eliminates G, and then the last 3 have the parentheses still there, so those are good to go. So now we need to look at the right side of our problem. The right side of our problem in the original, well, actually after that first step is just 2. No matter what we do, if we have it set equal, if we have it the positive version or the negative version, both of those are set equal to 2. And so this tells us that the correct answer would be K.